Hello class, and I will explain how to create a water-resistant art piece. This is a simple art project that I do with my pre-K class to teach simple science concepts, but to have fun at the same time. Water resist in this context means to repel the paint away. The materials needed are plastic cups filled with water. Be sure not to fill to the top, as you will be dipping the brush in multiple times to change the paint color, and you don't want to risk sloshing the water on your artwork. Also, you will need paint brushes, a watercolor paint palette, art paper, and crayons. The first thing you need to do is to actually draw your artwork on the art paper. I will do an apple tree. First thing, you need to take the brown and draw the trunk at the bottom of the paper. You need to do a green dollop around for the leaves, red circles for the apples, and actually some little squigglies for the sky. Alright, now you have your artwork drawn on. When you're using the crayons, make sure you draw bold lines that you're able to see. The second thing is you will actually, the second step, you'll start to use the paint. The first thing you need to do is take your paintbrush, dip it into the water, and you want to wring out the excess by just sliding it on the side of the cup, taking the excess out. Alright, now you're going to select your first color that you're going to paint with. Let's say brown for the tree trunk. Dab the paint brush into the paint palette, into the brown section. Then you're going to take the paintbrush and begin to paint. You want to use up and down strokes, filling in the trunk. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to actually change your color. You're going to dip the paintbrush inside the water to change the color. You'll do this multiple times throughout until you finish painting the entire thing. The key thing is to paint directly over the crayon. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you don't leave puddles anywhere. You want to make sure you distribute the paint evenly throughout the artwork. Alright, the third step is you're going to change the color. You can clean the brush by dipping it back into the cup. So you're going to repeat this step every time you need a color change. And the last step to finish the artwork is to actually let it dry. Once you let it dry, you're able to display your artwork. Now you're well on your way to creating a fabulous watercolor resistant art piece. Thank you.